What's up guys, it's me. So today for this video I'm gonna be using the COBALT kit since it is free, as you guys can see right here. So I'm literally gonna use it. Yes, literally. Of course I got my tryhard outfit. Drippy. We're gonna be folding the gauntlet. Hey, look at these, I'm ready to fight. Hey, look at to click one. Oof, this animation. I'm ready to box up some kids. Let's go. I need to box up some kids, bro. Bro, there's a Uzi. And I'm lagging. Bye. I just came to mid and I'm going back. There's a Uzi that has a whisper, bro. Get away from me, please. I don't wanna die. Please, just get away. All my teammates are there. This is about to be the most epic battle. Please just let me fight someone. Yo, who you? Tipping back to base. Peace. I don't care. Sorry for the pause, guys, but you gotta make sure to like and subscribe. Peace. We gotta get some forge points into that armor real quick, bro. Hey, let's go. Finally, our teammate loaded in, bro. After 10 years, bro. What the heck is... Bro, there's a guy with iron armor. I'm lagging so hard, bro. Let me just click. I'm about to smash up my mouse, bro. Bro, I literally come with the guy with iron armor so hard, and I just remembered I was not recording. So then he uses, he went backwards, he tried to run away, then he uses Evelyn, and then I was also low because I never knew he was chasing me, and then I had to run. Luckily, I never died this match. But I was gonna give volcanic just to know what they are. They bridging. Damn! Bro! That was the fastest. Bro, I was just spamming that bridge. That was faster than mini block, yeah. Probably not that. One thing, I just got a battery. Revive them, please. Red bed's free? I thought it was free. I thought there was nobody. You know, we got a speed bridge again to the other diamond here. Let me just... Bro, my hands actually hurt, bro. I swear. I'll never click that fast ever again. I swear I'm not auto-clicking it. In this video, I'm gonna show you that I'm not auto-clicking, bro. Oh dang, I got the speed now. Let's go. Okay. This video is probably a nice 6-minute match at least. At least it's a nice 6-minute match. Let's go. Break the ores. Oh, whoa, I got diamonds. Diamonds. What up, guys? Today I'm basically gonna, since COBALT kit was free, I'm just gonna see what, if it's good, because I haven't got on Cobalt Kid since season 5, bro. I'm so sad. You guys already see that I'm in the match, and also the gauntlets got buffed. I'm sorry guys that I was late to the update, but it's still fine. At least, yeah. And also, like, my teammates are tryhard. Like, literally, I'm the only. Oh, I thought I was the lowest level. It was 22 and I'm 24. Still, there's people that are tryhards, bro. Like here, like farmer created level 30. Bro, that dude better be building a farm, bro. If he doesn't have like at least like a 30-yard farm, the dude is not a real farmer. What team? Yellow team. Oh yeah. Yeah, he actually has a farm, bro. Bro, am I recording? Or shit. Oh, bro, I was so close. I thought I was gonna get volcanic, honestly. Oh. I'll do a hand cam video to just see that I'm not auto clicking. Like, look at this. And that was kind of fast. Honestly, I'm just gonna go for Red's bed. Wait, I'm gonna wait for him to go and then I'm gonna go for the bed. No. You don't gotta be hard like that. Ooh, bro, I got out safely. With a bed break. Nah. They gotta be like at least half to rage quit though. I like how to. Oh, no. Green bed too overprotected. I'm gonna try to get a bed. This is gonna be the most insane bed break, bro. Like, watch and learn. Ooh. Ooh. You don't even have a bed. No! Okay, sorry. Yep, the Titan has fallen by ease. Yes, we're too strong. And I finally got my war fist. Fire. I need cloud. I want cloud. I know you. I know. I see my teammate, bro. My teammate literally has. No, it burned. It burns too. No, I thought it was just a fireball that does fire spell. Oh, it doesn't. Good. I died. I want cloud, bro. Just give me. This is gonna be an easy dub. What is our teammate doing? This is a big ass obsidian. I wish I could. What are you doing? I guess I lost. And it was a nice 24-minute match, so let me go back to the lobby.